Hello everyone, this is Quan, and in this video I will show you how to prepare your data and perform the t-test using SPSS. So by now I assume that you already have the results from your pH skin study, and your result should look something like this. So you have the first column consists of the names of the participants, and then you have the three measurements of the pH level on three spots on your left or right hand, and then you calculate the average of these values, and this is going to be the final value that we're going to use for our test. So in this video I will show you how to prepare your data. We're going to prepare two data sets. One data set for the independent t-test, which is when you want to compare two products, and the another data set will going to be for the pair t-test. So when you want to compare, for example, product A at the baseline versus product A after 5 minutes. Right, so we're going to start with the pair t-test. So if you open a new Excel file, and then you create 7 columns, which is basically these 7 columns. Right, so basically the structure for the pair t-test is you have the name of the participant, you have the pH level of product A at the baseline, product A after 5 minutes, and product A after 30 minutes, and you have the same 3 measurements for product B. And basically what we're going to do is just copy paste the value from our raw dataset to this new dataset. So first of all, we copy the name of the participants. Right, now we copy the pH level of product A at the baseline, which is this column. Then you paste it under product A baseline. And we do the same for product A after 5 minutes. Remember to paste values, otherwise you're going to paste, there will be some error with it. So right click and choose paste value. Right, we're going to do the same for product B. Right, so now we have all the values in our table. And remember, if you have a missing participant, so someone who didn't show up in the test, then just remove, just leave the row empty. So all the row of that missing person should be empty. Okay. Right, so here's our data set. And if you want to round it up to 2 decimals, then just select all, format cells, and click number and click 2 decimals and just click OK. Right, so now we have the data set for the pair t-test, and I'm going to save it as the pair t-test. So pair t-test, pH skin study. Alright, so that's for the pair t-test. And now we're going to do another dataset for the independent t-test. So when we want to compare, for example, product A and product B at the baseline, or product A and product B after 5 minutes. Right, so we're going to create the following columns. We have the name, we have the product, we have the pH level at the baseline, we have the pH level after 5 minutes, and the pH level after 30 minutes. So the first step is we're going to copy paste the name of the participants again. Okay, and now we're gonna so basically now we're gonna copy paste the pH level of product A, and before we do that we must enter in this second column the category of the product. So that could be product A, and then you copy paste the name of this person again, because here each person has used 2 products, so they have 2 entries for that, but this is going to be product B, and then you do the same product B. Okay, and now basically we're just going to copy paste the value to the appropriate column. So pH level at the baseline of product A, that would be this value. pH level of product A at 5 minutes, this column. And product A after 30 minutes. And now we go for product B at the baseline. Product B after 5 minutes. And product B after 30 minutes. And then again we round up to 2 decimals. Voila! So now we have the data set ready for the independent t-test, and I'm going to save it. Independent t-test pH skin study. Right, that's how you prepare your dataset for the test that we're going to use. So we have 2 datasets. The first one is for the pair t-test, and this is called a wide format dataset because every participant has is a row in the dataset, whereas the independent t-test we have the long format, in which here we have each participant has 2 entries or 2 rows. Right, so that was the data preparation.